how to recover deleted Instagram post. If you wish to recover your deleted Instagram post, it's actually quite very simple. Let's say you happen to accidentally delete a post on Instagram. So I'll select that post, tap the three dots option, scroll down and tap on delete. You can see when I delete it, after the deleting date, I'll be able to restore this post within 30 days. Now mind you, if it is within 30 days that you deleted the post, you can recover it. But if it has been more than 30 days, then it will not be recoverable. So keeping that thing in mind, once you're on the profile page, tap the three lines option from the top right hand side. Then from here, simply go to your activity and tap on it. Under your activity, go to the option recently deleted and tap on it. Under recently deleted, you can see the post that you've deleted within 30 days. Select that particular post. If I want to recover this now, I can tap the three dots. From the bottom, I can select restore. Now if you tap on delete, even accidentally, this will be permanently deleted. So tap on restore now, tap on restore, and that particular post will be restored back to your profile feed. So let me just come back right here. And you can see if I refresh it, that post is basically there again. So this way you can recover deleted Instagram posts. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.